Good afternoon everybody and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. It's nice to see you all back in school and I hope you all had a really restful half term spending time with your immediate family at home. I know activities were limited but hopefully you took the time to just recharge those batteries and get ready for the remainder of the spring term. You've all been straight back into the swing of things at school this week and we've had another remarkable week with our virtual learning and also with the children that are currently with us in school, more remarkable work as well. It's been fantastic to see all of the work that you've been sharing with your teachers, and again we've been making sure that we're sharing that on social media so everybody can see what a fantastic job the children, the parents, the teachers are all doing at Lee Forest during what's been a very difficult and challenging time. Also this week, back onto our Wellbeing Wednesdays, it was great to see lots of children already taking part in the competition about how you would create a remarkable world in 2030 and what that would look like. There's still time to get entries in for that, so please do keep those coming. Also, I hope that you all enjoyed your trip to the Houses of Parliament this week. So all of the year groups, we had a virtual online trip to Parliament, had a good look around in there, so I hope that you all found that really good. Finally, on our Wellbeing Wednesday this week, we had a focus on the LGBTQ+ community and just bringing an awareness of how that fits into the world and what that means for the world and the diverse community and world in which we live. Just one final note then before I hand over to our teachers this week to hear about all of the remarkable things that you've been doing. No doubt you've all seen on the news this week that you'll be returning to school on the 8th of March and your teachers and the whole school community cannot wait to have you all back. Please, parents, rest assured that we'll be doing everything that we can to ensure that it is a completely safe return to school. So can I just ask that you do just make yourselves aware of and have a look at everything that will be coming out to you over the coming weeks on Class Dojo, via any letters that we send out electronically, and also on our social media platforms. With that in mind then, we've only got 1 week left of our virtual school. Let's make sure that it's the very, very best week that we've had yet with our virtual learning. And that's my challenge to you. See if you can become our next and our final child of the week for our virtual school learning offer. All that's left for me to do now is to say have a fantastic weekend and to hand over to your teachers to find out all of the wonderful things that you've been doing this week.
This week my child of the week is Dylan, and Dylan, I've chosen you for always showing high aspirations. This week I've been particularly impressed with your work on fractions in maths. You've gone above and beyond to try and reach the solving task just like we would do in normal maths lessons, so keep up the great work and well done.
My child of the week this week is Kian. I've chosen Kian because his attitude to learning has improved so much over the past few weeks. He's working really hard. He's been really pushing his limits with all the work he's doing in school, and he's been a pleasure to teach. So well done, Kian.
Hi 3MC, I hope you're all okay and had a lovely half term. This week I've chosen Evie as my child of the week. I've chosen you, Evie, because I've seen a really big improvement with your engagement with the online lessons. It has been really lovely to see you on the live lessons every single day this week, and I've really enjoyed seeing you push your limits by answering the questions on there too. So a big well done, Evie, keep it up, and a big thank you to Mum for your help too.
My child of the week is Jax. Jax, me and Miss Freeman have been really impressed with how hard you are working independently since coming back into school. You're really enjoying the writing area and you love going into the book corner, so we're really pleased. Well done, Jax.
Hi everyone, this week in nursery we've chosen Fatty as our child of the week. Fatty, you started school and you were really shy, you didn't know anybody, and me and Mrs Byrne are really seeing you come out of your shell. You're speaking and listening, you're sharing with your friends, you come in every morning with a huge smile on your face and it's really lovely to see. I know Mummy and Daddy are really proud of you as well, so keep up the amazing work.
This week, I have chosen Yamin as my child of the week. Yamin, you've been trying so hard with your learning at home. You complete all the tasks that are set by the reception team and all your interventions that Mrs. Cowley sends you. I'm so impressed with you. Well done.
My star of the week this week is Tamsin. Tamsin, Mrs. Gonzalez and Miss Freeman were really impressed with you in Forest School this week. You were very engaged and you were very hands-on. Well done, keep it up.
My star of the week is Hanaya. Hanaya, you've been working incredibly hard at home. All your work that you've been sending in has been of a high standard. You're sending me your maths work, your English work, your phonics work, your science work, your topic work. You're always working hard every single day, making sure that you're doing your best. I'm really proud of you, Hanaya. Well done.
My child of the week this week is Esme. Esme, I have chosen you for my child of the week because you are putting in 110% to every single task that you are doing at home. I really liked your character curriculum task where you made your till out of recycled materials. I thought that was really innovative because you even put a little receipt at the front of it that came out once you punched some numbers in. I thought that was really good, Esme, so well done. And also a massive thank you to Esme's mum. She sends me pictures on Class Dojo portfolio every single day. And not only that, but she makes some of them into little pic collages, which is really nice to see all the different stages that Esme has gone through creating her piece of work. So well done, Esme. Keep up the fantastic work.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Corey in 4SH. I'm absolutely blown away with how well Corey is showing our value of being big-hearted. He's a friend to everyone, he's a great role model within this bubble. Well done Corey, I'm super proud of you.
Zane in 5NN, you are my star of the week because you are always full of high spirits with a great smile on your face. You've also been completing all of the English work that I've been sending to you, as well as many sessions within the Learning Village. You've been working so hard lately to push your limits and have high aspirations. Really proud of you, Zane. Keep up the hard work. See you later. Bye.
Hi everybody. So my child of the week this week isn't actually a child, it's a group of children that have really shone out to me this week, and they go by the name of Climate Crew. So I've selected the Climate Crew this week because they are a group of Year 6 pupils that have decided to come together to make our planet more sustainable, and are doing neighbourhood projects and researching about the issue to try and bring about change and make us live more sustainable lives. They've completely taken this on themselves. They've been doing PowerPoint presentations and everything. I'm just so impressed with how innovative and committed they've been. So, Climate Crew, you all are my children of the week.
Hello 4SH, my child of the week this week is Malaika. Malaika, I've chosen you because I've been really impressed with all of the work that you complete and send in for all of your lessons, and especially your contributions made in the music lessons are always insightful. You send me pictures on Doodle as well to show me the things that you're doing throughout the day, which is great. Well done and keep it up.
My child of the week is Zachariah. Zachariah, I've chosen you this week for your remarkable home learning. You're not only completing every activity that I set, I know that you're pushing yourself and you're completing all the lessons that Mrs. Brindley is sending over to you as well. So keep up this super work. Well done.
Hi everyone. My child of the week this week is Rakea. Now it was a tricky one because I did want to give this one before half term, but so many people were doing such a good job of all the online learning that it was just too hard to pick. But this week I have chosen Rakea for the amazing work that she's been doing. Every single week on Google Classroom, she's there waking everybody up in the morning, asking everyone to make sure they've signed the register, and just doing a great job of keeping everyone smiling. As well, her work has been absolutely fantastic. I've been really impressed with everything she's done, even if it's on paper or as a Google Doc. Whichever way she's done it, it's always amazing, and she's always really smiley and happy in the sessions. So keep it up, Rakea, well done.
Hello everybody, my child of the week this week is Marianne. Marianne, you are remarkable in so many ways. You have engaged with our online learning with such resilience and such high aspirations. You are respectful and polite and just an incredible student to have both inside the classroom and out of the classroom. I can't wait to get back into the classroom with you all, and I can't wait to see what further remarkable things you are going to do at the rest of this year. So well done, Marianne. It is truly, truly deserved.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Rebecca, and I've chosen Rebecca for her fantastic attitude towards her learning. She tries hard with everything that she's doing, and this week she's done some fantastic research about different types of soil, and I'm really proud of you, Rebecca, so keep up the good work. Well done.
Hello everyone, my home learner of the week this week is Fatima, and I've chosen Fatima because she has been quietly working from home, sending me in work from her maths and English, and she's participated really well in English lessons, even though she usually goes to Miss Jones for EAL group. So I'm really impressed with you, Fatima, and I just wanted to let you know that I'm really proud of you. Can't wait to see you in school. So thank you. My in-school learner of the week this week is Jay, and I've chosen Jay because of the way he's come back into school, settled down. He contributes to lessons, and I have to say it's quite rewarding when children do, because as you can imagine, with just a few children in the classroom, the pressure is on them to answer questions. So he always contributes, and with a lovely smile on his face. So well done, Jay. Thank you everyone, and see you soon.
My child of the week this week is Maisie. Maisie, I am so impressed with the effort you have been putting into your home learning. You have pushed your limits in every single lesson, and it is an absolute pleasure to see the work that you produce. Thank you for your commitment to your education, and please keep up the good work.
I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no